Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti and I'm back with another lecture in the OS series. In the last lecture, we learned about multi-programming as well as multitasking operating system. In this particular video, we would be learning about real-time operating system. So without any further ado, let's get started. So a real-time operating system ensures tasks are completed within strict time constraints. So the time constraint is very strict and it is perfect for the system where delays are not acceptable. So all the systems where delays are not acceptable and there are some strict time constraints, we can use the real-time operating system. Now it is used in critical situation where precise timing is necessary, such as controlling robots, medical devices or air traffic system. Now how it works? So real-time operating system handle task on a specific schedule. So there is a schedule on basis of which the real-time operating system handle the task. If a task is late, it could cause a serious issue like a missed deadline. So again, if it's getting used in medical devices or maybe robots or air traffic system, like that time the real-time data is very much necessary. So real-time operating system needs to be very accurate, very precise. Now for example, VxWorks, free real-time operating system, system used in car, airplanes or medical devices. So let's learn about the types of real-time operating system. So the first one is hard real-time operating system. As the name suggests, hard, missing a deadline leads to system failure. Example, airbag deployment in cars or pacemakers. So here the deadline is very strict. It needs to be completed within a given interval of time. So missing a deadline can also lead to a system failure. The examples are airbag, which is deployed in car or pacemakers. Now coming to soft real-time operating system. So as the name suggests, soft, like it could somehow deal with the missed deadline. So missing a deadline degrades the performance but doesn't cause any failure. So here missing the deadline causes a system failure, but here missing a deadline may degrade the performance but it doesn't cause any failure. Example, live video streaming or online gaming. We might have seen in the online games sometimes 1 or 2 second lags come, but that is something which will only degrade the performance of the game, but it will not cause any kind of a failure. Coming to the firm RTOS, so occasional deadline misses are acceptable but should be rare. So occasional deadline are acceptable but it should be rare. Now the examples are industrial automation or robotics. So in robots also occasional there could be a failure, so that is acceptable, but it shouldn't be very much. It should be very rare. So these are all the types of real-time operating system. This was all about this video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first, and if you find it useful, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have not followed me on my social media handles, you can go ahead and follow. The links are in the description. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.